My name is Brooks Robinson. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Springbot. So imagine you're a small or medium-sized e-commerce store. You've got your Magento or Shopify store up and running. You're selling preppy clothes or really cool skateboards, but you have no idea what marketing to do next. You have all this data within your store, consumer profiles, marketing attribution information, but it's not all untapped. It's all sitting within your store, and how do you get access to it? And that's really where Springbot comes in. We started Springbot back in 2012. We've been at it for about 4 years now. What we've really done is we've combined the power of marketing automation, marketing analytics, and predictive marketing to really help these stores understand what marketing's working, what's not, and what to do next. We have about 60 folks in Midtown Atlanta, right near Georgia Tech, and we have about 11 million in funding to date, and we're in the process of raising a Series B round of 15 million. We have about 900 retailers on the platform, and just continue to keep growing at about a 10% monthly growth rate. We're targeting a really large market. It's a large market, and it's fast growing. Platforms like Magento, Shopify, and BigCommerce are growing at 15 to 20% year over year. There's 500,000 small and medium e-commerce stores in the United States, and we're targeting them to help them grow. So really the problem set is, on one hand, you have your shopping cart, Magento or Shopify, and the other hand, this explosion of marketing channels, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, ad roll for retargeting. If you're an online store, which channels are working? So your challenge is, what's working and what's not, and what do I do next? And so what Springbot does is we sit in between your shopping cart and your marketing channels to help you understand and leverage the marketing and purchase information in your store to really drive that next best marketing action. As I said before, we have over 800 stores, closing in on 900 brands on the platform. We work with great brands that have ambassadors like Jennifer Aniston, the Kardashians, and one of my favorite, John Daly, with his great golf pants. We're harvesting a lot of really valuable data, purchase information, customer demographics. This path to purchase information is very valuable that we're now capturing across the platform. Our platform today has 45 million consumers with their age, their gender, their income level. 14 million products are now on the platform that have been analyzed, and over 3 billion in purchases across the platform. So really, how does Springbot work? It's very simple. Stores find us in the Magento or Shopify app stores. They hit install. We harvest the data. We get instant value, demographic information, customer profiles, Facebook profiles come to the platform. So now the retailer understands really who's buying which products. We then connect all the marketing channels, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, MailChimp, and Constant Contact. All that gets added to the platform, so now we can really understand attribution. We can track that revenue by channel. Then we also provide recommendations to the marketer. It's one thing to show them charts and graphs and weigh them down with a lot of information. We now go and say, here are 3 marketing actions you should take based on your data, as well as the data we're learning across the entire platform. Some of those might be, you're getting a lot of Instagram traffic. We really think you need to be focused on building an Instagram mobile storefront. Within fashion retailers, we see a ton of traffic going through Instagram. But these retailers don't know how to understand how much revenue they're getting from Instagram. So what we've done is we've built the consumer experience to really drive sales through Instagram. We think it's one of the first social commerce implementations. So this example is if you're going through the Bella bag, which sells high-end vintage handbags, if you're going through their Instagram feed, what you'll find is maybe a purse that you really like. The natural thing to do is go to the profile page and click the link. What we've done is we've taken over that link with a little /i that now takes you to a Springbot website that is the Instagram feed, which now can be shoppable. So now you can find the image that you liked, click on it, find the product that's associated with that image, click that, and do the checkout. So now what we've done is we've improved the shopping experience, as well as being able to tie attribution to the Instagram feature. We do that with Twitter, we do that with Facebook, we do that with email, we do that with online advertising. The list is fairly long. List of all the different features we do, there's probably 20 different features on the platform. We've grown from about 30 people this time last year to 60 people. We've taken our average revenue, or annualized revenue, from 1 million to 3 million, and we continue to grow the platform. As I said before, we're in the process of raising a Series B round of 15 million. We have some great investors today, and we're looking to add to that mix. We've got a great team. Myself was a co-founder of a company called CBeyond, which we started with 5 of us and grew to 2,000 people and 500 million in revenue and took it public in 2005. That was kind of a 2000 through 2011 timeframe. And then left to go be an entrepreneur in residence at Georgia Tech, where I found Joe Rieger, who's our CTO. And Joe and I combined to really do the combination of big data, marketing tech, and e-commerce to really build the Springbot platform. Erica Brooks joined us in the fourth quarter of last year. Erica was the VP of Marketing at Earthlink, very focused on small business customers, then was a VP of Marketing at Vitru that sold to Oracle, very focused on social relationship platforms, working with Twitter and Facebook. Our current investors are tech operators out of Atlanta, very focused in the IT security space, as well as TTV Capital that's focused in the fintech space. And of course, we've won some awards on the right, including my favorite, one of the best places to work in Atlanta. This is Springbot. Thank you for your attention. I'd love to connect with you at brobinson@Springbot or follow us at Springbot. Thank you.